Hi you guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, I'm Kyla and I make makeup videos. Today's video was kind of like not random, but like I've been wanting to do this for a few days now because we're just getting into March, but I decided to film it today because I got some really crappy news today and wanted to lift my spirits a little bit by putting some makeup on, but I didn't really know what kind of vibe I wanted to go for, and this is what I ended up with. I do have false lashes on, believe it or not, but my liner just looks a little bit too thick for them, and this one's kind of wonky, but it's fine. So as you saw by the title, today we are doing my favorites for the month of February, or like hits and misses kind of in February, things that I've tried, things that I've played around with, things that I just decided this is not working right. So yeah, if you hear a noise in the background. My dog had puppies about a month ago, a little over a month ago, and they are getting big, and not big because they're chihuahuas, but they are starting to be able to walk and like bark and make sounds, and so they are not going to be able to just keep quiet. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into some of these products. I'm going to save the misses for the end and do the hits first. So I was going to do this in January too, but one of these products I had just gotten, like I didn't have it very long, and another one like I had been loving but not like too much. Like I didn't have enough basically, and by the time I like had gathered enough things that I wanted to talk about, it was too late to do a favorites. So yeah. So anyways, let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna start with skincare because that's like the base. So I got this The Ordinary bee oil. It's just I needed an oil for the skin that wasn't gonna be too expensive. Kind of trying to budget a little bit better. I really love the marula oil from Drunk Elephant, and I love the cannabis oil from Kiehl's, but just trying to like find a more affordable alternative, I went with the bee oil from The Ordinary. I didn't need something that was like gonna treat or whatever. I really just needed to put an oil back into my skin. Puppies, because like my skin was getting so dry and flaky, and like the foundation that I have on today, which is the Hourglass Vanish Stick Foundation, I don't love it that much. It does still look a little bit dry, but the oil is definitely helping, especially using it like at night, and then sometimes I use this one in the morning too. I was using one from, I can't think of what that brand is called. I got it in BOXYCHARM, LMS, and it just wasn't doing it for me. And one day I put it on, I went into work and my face was so red, and I assumed it was either that or my Radiance pads, but I don't really think it was Radiance pads. It could have been, but I don't know. So yeah, I've been using this. It's a dark color. People complain about the smell. Like you can see, it's like a greenish color, but I don't think it smells bad. But it's definitely like a thicker oil, which I like and needed. But it does soak in pretty nicely, so you're not gonna look super greasy as the day goes on. And yeah, I like that one so far. The only thing that I was worried about is that it has tomato something tomato in it, which is a citrus, and vitamin C's can freak me out, so that was kind of a concern, but I haven't had too many problems. I have a couple breakouts right now, but it seems to be like going away. Like my breakouts are finally starting to clear, so yeah. And then the other skincare product that I've really been liking is the Cicapair Tiger Grass Cream, and I got this from Marshall's. This at my work is like $42-ish, and at Marshall's I got it for $20. And it wasn't expired, like, and it was still sealed. It was like it comes in like a plastic box, and then the cashier has to take it out, so people can't like touch it. Yeah, it said that it didn't expire, or like the 2021 was the expiration date on it, so it's not expired. I know sometimes people are concerned that Marshalls or TJ Maxx products are, or that there's something like wrong with them, but it's been doing really good for me. I use it morning and night pretty much. Sometimes I switch up and put my Ultra Repair Cream in there, but this, like, I've been using it and my skin has been doing, like, you can't see it right now, but it's really been doing better about the redness, which is why I got it. I have a patch over here that stays pretty red, like right down here, and it's been helping a lot, so I like how my skin looks now. Even after I wash it, because before when I washed it, it still looked red, but using the Cicabar cream, it like helps, or Cicabar, whatever, it does help. And plus this little twisty thing is cool, because like you basically, I'm not going to untwist it, like once the thing is at the top, you slide it over, see how it has a hole, it's all the way through, you slide it over the tube, and then you start twisting down as you use it, so you're pushing all the product that you're like down to the bottom, so you get to use all of it. So that's cool. I have 2 concealers. I know, crazy. This one was more so January, but I used it in February too, but I just really have been liking it. It's the COLOURPOP Pretty Fresh Concealer. It's very good, like, it's just nice. Like, it's not too dry looking. It's a good color for me. It's the shade Fair 10 Neutral, or 10N, and it just, I can wear it alone as well, which I really like, because a lot of my concealers are too full coverage. I can't, like, see how good that looks? Like, I can't just wear concealer, like I need to wear foundation as well, or I get like a line. But this one I don't have to. I can just wear this and blend it out nicely and put some powder on, and it looks fine. I can spot treat, like spot color, not spot color, but like spot cover, and I don't have any problems. It just blends in really, really nicely, and it's really affordable. From like Ulta, it's like $9, $7 or $9. So I want to try the what's it called, tinted moisturizer from that line, the Pretty Fresh line too, but I've seen mixed reviews that it's like not good coverage or whatever, so I don't know. I know it's a tinted moisturizer, so it's not gonna be like crazy good coverage, but just a little something I want to try. The second concealer is the complete opposite end of the spectrum. It's the Hourglass one. Hopefully by the time this is going up, my Sephora haul video has gone up. It should have, yeah. So if it didn't, spoiler. I got this in there. This is the Hourglass Vanish Concealer in the shade Birch. I like this. I have it on today in conjunction with another concealer that I wanted to try out. The other concealer was a little bit too dark, so I put this one on. When I first tried this, I didn't like it. It just looked creepy. But once I like use it more, I started to like it. So it looks really like smooth, like really like skin smoothening as the day goes on, and it's a really good color. It's not like too yellow or whatever, or too pink. It's like a nice neutral color. So I really, really like this. It looks really good when you wear it. And then my last 2 like favorite products are the Natasha Denona palettes that I've recently gotten. This is the Natasha Denona Metropolis palette and the Natasha Denona Safari palette. I just lost my ability to speak. This one's all matte. This one is newer. You should have seen the video relatively recently where I reviewed this one. And then this one, yeah, this one's all matte, and I really have been liking using them together. That's why I included both of them in here. And then this one is, I got a little bit more close to the new year, like right after the new year, and tried a video up then. So I just like them both really, like they're really nice. They blend out beautifully. They just, when I wear eyeshadow, these are what I go to. I know today I have a purple pop on, and I dabbled in a couple different things, but like it just, I just really like them. You can get great everyday looks. You can get a little bit more glamorous look. Like it's not like a bright orange look, but they're still really, really good. So my 2 disappointing type of products. The first one is actually something that I used to really like and I would talk about a lot. Is my butter bronzer from Physicians Formula in the shade it's the light one. Woo! There's a little spongy thing on the bottom. You can see I've used it a lot, but I am wondering if this is what was causing me to break out so much, because a lot of my breakouts were happening right in here, especially on this side, and so I have stopped using it and they've started to go away. Granted, I've stopped doing other things I washed all my makeup brushes, so that's a start, and then which I mean you should do regularly. It was just time for me, and so I went ahead and did that since I was changing up some things. And then I started changing my pillowcases way more often. So I know a lot of people do it once a week, but I try to do it twice a week. I wash my hair twice a week, so that's when I was doing when I'm doing it. think that maybe the oils from my hair, because it gets pretty oily before I wash it, was like staying on my pillow, and I was like ended up moving around and laying in it. So I don't know if that's what was also causing me to break out. So I went ahead and changed my pillowcases now when I wash my hair. And it's like my skin's clearing up. I'm breaking out a little bit, but I think that's mostly just hormonal. So I'm doing a lot better. I only got a couple right now, and not a lot of like darkness too, so it's pretty good. And then the other thing, I just can't get behind it. I don't know. It's Sephora's dry shampoo. It's a Sephora hair dry shampoo, shampooing seconds blue. I think they may have a purple one, I'm not sure. You get 7.6 fluid ounces. It says net weight is 5 ounces. Okay. First of all, it's a lie. It says, instantly refresh hair between shampoos with this oil-absorbing formula enriched with apple cider vinegar. This dry shampoo is colorless and never leaves behind visible residue or powdery buildup that weighs hair down. Fine mist spray veils hair with a dry touch, soft matte finish for a just washed fit. No. I got this in gratis, I think. Absolutely not. Yeah, there's the G on there. Okay, I ran out of my Not Your Mother's dry shampoo, which is what I really like to use. I like the Amika one as well, but I don't own that. I've only used it at work. I have the IGK one too, but I have mixed feelings about that. But this is just not very good. I might try to use it, but it's gonna take some work. Let me just go through the step-by-step of why this is bad in each like step, how it progressively gets worse. First of all, you're like, oh, my hair is greasy. Let me go ahead and brush it, and then I'm gonna put some dry shampoo in it. So you have your hair all nice and sectioned out. You're getting ready. Okay, first of all, let's talk about this. Let me not get it all over my mirror. First of all, it shoots. Like, it's strong. It is not a gentle spray at all. Like my Not Your Mother's, like, I think I have the empty can. Like this. That's a gentle mist. That? Ooh, now I smell it. Okay, that's the first complaint. The second complaint is the does leave white streaks. And I know you let it sit for a minute, and then you like massage it in, and then I brush it just for extra good measure. But you, like, the minute you spray this in your hair, it's white for starters. And then you can't, like, it's 100 shades of knotted. I literally just spent time brushing my hair out. I don't have short hair. I have curly hair that is like, gets knotted easily. And so this just makes it 100 times more knotted than it ever should be. No. And then, so you're like brushing it and it feels like really thick and like, like you're like, oh no, this is not good. And you decide to give up and put it up in a ponytail and you just have it chilling right here. But as you're putting it up, you realize that your hair now literally feels like straw. Like a straw broom. It feels gross. You can't wait to wash it. Like, it's just like, it is gross feeling. It's so like, it does feel dry, but too dry. It's just, no, I like other ones so much better that don't do that. And it doesn't even really give you volume. So, I don't really know. I just, not really a big fan. So, that being said, that's a miss for me. Big ol' miss right there. So, yeah. That's it for this video. Steer clear of this. This is only a miss for me. If you like it, keep using it. I just need to take a little break. Maybe I should disinfect it. Like, spray some alcohol in there. I don't know. But I really like the palettes. The concealers are bomb. Like, the moisturizer and this oil are all super good. But, like, that shampoo just really did not do it for me. So, I don't know. Let me know what were your hits and misses for February. What do I need to get in March? I mean, I want to buy some makeup and like lift my spirits because I'm having an awful day. So yeah, let me know in your comments down below. You can check me out on Instagram. It's at Makeup My Smile. Don't forget to like, leave me a comment. Talk to me. I get lonely. Okay. All right. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.